Kuweza kupata habari zote kutoka hapa Moko TV, bonyeza subscribe, na ili uweze kupata taarifa, bonyeza alama ya kengele.
Competition today, but we concede opportunity to score goals. We didn't score, and also Simba also concede the opportunity to score. They didn't score, but we draw it like the God wants for this game. But we have all together the return game. The return game, we're gonna play it in Lubumbashi, and we're gonna try to work again about all the bad things, to put it out and to be correct in the return game.
Yes, so I'm very satisfied of the performance of the guys, and I'm even proud of them because they show that they are at the level of a big team like TP Mazembe. So you know, we had a lot of opportunities. We hit the post, we missed the penalty. That things happen, and we had some other opportunities. We put them in trouble, and you know, you see that they were happy to go back to Congo with a draw. So now, with a little bit more efficiency next week, I'm sure we will score there, and I'm sure we can qualify. So we had a very high level game today. And I expect the same game on the next Saturday, because TP Mazembe is also a team who's playing football. So I think it was a really good thing for African football today. Ah, exactement. Non, je disais simplement que j'étais très satisfait de la performance des joueurs, parce que bon, on a plus que tenu tête au TP Mazembe, puisque bon, on a plusieurs opportunités, on touche le poteau, on loupe pas penalty, on a plusieurs occasions, on les a mis en grosse difficulté. Malheureusement, on a manqué d'efficacité, donc on va travailler là-dessus, et je reste persuadé que là-bas on va se créer des opportunités également, et avec un peu plus d'efficacité, on va marquer des buts et on peut se qualifier.
Okay, can I take up questions?
Do you see football in Africa is played in 90 minutes?
That is football played in 90 minutes in Africa?
I don't understand the question.
They don't understand your question. Maybe can we have another person?
Bon, après avoir réalisé le second but contre l'équipe Mazembe, vous disiez comment l'équipe est à domicile. Quel ont été les points forts de votre adversaire cet après-midi? Comment voyez-vous le match?
Non, mais je pense qu'ils sont venus ici pour essayer de faire un résultat. Bon, également de ne pas concéder de but et d'essayer de nous avoir un petit peu par leur vitesse. On était conscient de ça, mais bon, je pense qu'on a eu le contrôle du jeu et du tempo. Comme je vous dis, on s'est créé des opportunités, et je pense qu'on a prouvé à l'Afrique entière que Simba méritait sa place en quart de finale, et même peut-être plus loin.
English?
In English. I don't remember what I said.
Okay.
Yes, to talk of you, but before that, I would like to emphasize this question.
Yeah.
He meant you think African football is played in 90 minutes. I'll be glad to ask the same question. But another question for you both is, you think the referee was fair? And to pass me, you have changed your shirt today. Is there a relationship between like people changing the shirt?
You know, referee are referee. So players sometimes they make some mistakes. Coaches sometimes can make some mistake as well, and referee can make some mistake as well. First half, I was a little bit surprised by some decisions, you know. But that's football. That's football. So you know, we didn't focus about that, and we were really focused at the halftime to try to score this goal. We have an opportunity very quickly with John Boko. After we have this penalty, he missed the penalty, but he made a very good game. So that's what I say. You know, when you make sometimes 0-0 at home, and you don't create opportunities, or you don't have the possession, or you are under trouble, you know that the second leg will be difficult. Here we show something, and you know, it's a big disappointment in the dressing room because we didn't score. So it means we are ambitious. So we will try to do the job next Saturday in Lubumbashi.
Okay.
It's not that, but if a player for Simba make a fault, it's a fault. He must be down. But also for them, the Simba's players were down sometimes. But if there is a fault, it's a fault. To complete that, about the question for my friend there, it's the referee who is the boss in the pitch. He can make mistakes. He can see. For him, it is not a fault. Maybe for him, it's a fault. It is the boss who must decide. We can cry outside, oh no, it's not good, but it's him, the boss, who will make decisions.
Kuweza kupata habari zote kutoka hapa Moko TV, bonyeza subscribe, na ili uweze kupata taarifa, bonyeza alama ya kengele.